Hi.
Hi, my name is Shaniqua. This here is, what's your name?
I remember my own name.
Your name is Mike.
Hi, my name is Mike. Everybody sorry about that.
Alright, what do you want to invite the children to?
We're going Camden.
Camden! Yeah! Let me talk. Oh, sorry, there's something.
I say we're going up here.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun down there. Yeah,
Why do you want to shut down and let me talk out?
Oh, gosh.
Everybody, we're going Camden.
Camden!
Hey, hush him. We have a talk show in Camden. We have a nice fire show. We have some live band coming in Camden. We'll open up the airstrip. Everybody, we're going Camden.
We're gonna have a lot of fun today. Are you ready? Let's go!
Anyway, oh hi everybody. My name is Froggy, and we'd like to invite you to a really special puppet event.
A puppet event that involves me eating you alive.
No, you're not gonna do that, Froggo. Not this time, okay? Not this time.
Really? Oh, shucks. I just brushed my teeth this morning. I'm feeling really hungry right now.
Well, don't worry, we'll have lunch soon. Okay, so we're inviting all of you to see me, Froggy, and Froggo here at our great event at Camden Airstrip in Couva. We're gonna have a stage and everything, and all our friends are gonna be there. So make sure to be there, okay, kids? And grown-ups can come too. Of course, the kids can't get to come. That means the grown-ups didn't get to come.
You know, sometimes you mix up the words. Hey,
Yeah.
we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Are you ready? Let's go!
Yeah man, we're ready to go inside the studio then. We're going inside and ready to record my music. We go. Yeah man.
We're going to make
What you say? Yeah boy, we're here what? You ready for the track there boy? We had to sing with Nos the band and the Chinese, and not the Chinese, the chutney band and so on boy. You have me track ready for me to put down the lyrics there right now? Nice, coolness. Alright, we inside.
I didn't
Alright.
new town.
It's Friday. Look me on the avenue. Camden, it's Friday. Look me on the avenue. Having a nice time with a drink or two. Come in like Johnny Block.
We love me Johnny Blue.
Tell me you look good, so on your nails don't do.
Johnny Blue.
Come another bottle of the
Yellows, and I'm here to talk to you.
What are you doing?
Where you come from?
I'm going Camden too.
What you know about Camden?
I know about the Parrot and the lighting up and the wonderful show that's going to take place there. I want to go too. That's right. Children of all ages come with their parents and see Parrot light up in Camden.
What your record sticker? Camden Airstrip in Couva. Yes. Come on, and the puppets will be there too. Yes, just for the children, especially for the children, but you know the grown-ups can have it too. Right? So make sure you have your money, Judy.
Yes,